Hi everyone, welcome to English Learning Key. I'm Anna.
And I'm David.
Today we have a very special episode where we'll take you through an entire day in the city full of real-life conversations, useful phrases, and English practice. So grab your headphones, relax, and let's get started. Good morning. Oh, wow, it's early.
I know. Mornings are always tough, especially on Mondays.
True, but you know what they say, early bird catches the worm.
Or in my case, early bird needs more coffee. Speaking of which, do you want to grab a coffee before we head out?
Absolutely. Let's go. So, what's your usual order these days?
I usually get a cappuccino with a little extra foam. How about you?
I'm a simple person. Black coffee, no sugar. Keeps me awake without any distractions.
That's very serious, but I admire your dedication.
So, as we walk to the cafe, how do you usually greet the barista? Any tips for our listeners?
Oh, definitely. A simple, "Hi, how are you?" works wonders. Always smile. It's polite and makes the interaction smoother.
Right. And when ordering, be clear and confident. For example, I'd like a medium cappuccino, please. See? Simple.
Exactly. And don't forget please and thank you. These small words make a big difference.
Here we go. Our coffee is ready. Ah, perfect. Just what I needed.
Yep, nothing beats a good morning coffee.
Now, imagine you're walking down the street and you meet a neighbor. How would you start a casual conversation?
Probably something like, "Hi, how's your day going?" Or, "Good morning. Beautiful weather today, isn't it?"
Perfect. Small talk is key. Even a simple comment about the weather can start a conversation.
Weather talk might seem boring, but trust me, it's gold in English practice.
So, let's pretend we meet someone we know. Hey, Alex, long time no see. How have you been?
That's right. And the typical response could be, "I've been great, thanks. How about you?"
Exactly. Notice how thanks and returning the question makes the conversation polite and smooth.
Now, let's head to the bus stop. Commuting can be tricky. What phrases should we use if we ask for directions?
Good question. You can say, "Excuse me, could you tell me which bus goes to Central Park?"
Perfect. And if someone says, "You can take bus number 5, you can respond with, "Thank you so much. I really appreciate it."
Always polite. And if you're not sure, you can ask, "Does this bus stop at Main Street?" Simple clarification.
Exactly. Clear communication is important, especially in a busy city.
As we ride the bus, it's a good chance to practice English listening. Pay attention to announcements. Next stop, Main Street.
Right. And you can also practice repeating sentences in your head or out loud, like, "Next stop, Main Street." It helps reinforce vocabulary.
Listening and speaking go hand in hand. That's why podcasts are perfect for practice.
Oh, our stop is coming. Let's get off.
Yes, and now we're at the shopping area. Let's practice some shopping phrases.
Okay, imagine we're in a clothing store. You might say, "Hi, do you have this shirt in medium?"
Or, "Could I try this on, please?" Simple, polite, and effective.
And if it doesn't fit, do you have a larger size or do you have a smaller size?
Exactly. And when paying, "I'll take this, please." Or, "Could I pay by card?"
Yes, and always say thank you after the cashier hands you your receipt. Politeness matters everywhere.
Now, let's imagine we bump into a friend at the store. How do we react?
Oh, hi, what a surprise. How have you been?
And the friend might say, "I've been busy, but good. What about you?"
Perfect. And then you can continue with small talk. "I'm doing well, thanks. Are you shopping for something special?"
Small talk is everywhere in English. It's not just casual, it's essential. Now, let's imagine we're at a cafe inside the shopping mall. Time to order something sweet.
I'll go with a chocolate muffin and a cappuccino. You?
I think I'll try the blueberry scone and an iced latte.
Nice. When ordering, you can say, could I get a blueberry scone and an iced latte, please?
And if you want to ask about ingredients, does this scone have nuts? Always helpful if you have allergies.
Yes, and then you can practice polite responses like, thank you, that's very helpful.
Ah, this is relaxing. Perfect time for more English practice.
Let's imagine someone asks to join our table. How would we respond politely?
Oh, of course. Please have a seat.
And then maybe introduce ourselves. Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
And the other person says, Hi, Anna. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you too.
Perfect. Notice how simple introductions and friendly phrases keep the conversation smooth.
Now, let's walk outside. Imagine it starts raining. What can we say?
Classic. Oh no, it's raining. Did you bring an umbrella?
And if you didn't bring one, I forgot my umbrella. Could we share yours?
Right. Or you can say, let's find a nearby shop and wait until it stops. Simple solutions.
As we walk in the rain, you can also practice describing actions. The rain is falling fast, or the streets are wet and slippery.
Yes, using descriptive sentences improves vocabulary and fluency.
Now, let's imagine we're at the subway station. How do we ask for tickets?
Hi, could I get 2 tickets to downtown, please?
Perfect. And if the machine confuses you, excuse me, could you help me buy tickets?
Always polite and clear. Then, once on the train, next stop, downtown. Repeat in your head or out loud for listening practice.
And don't forget, watching your stop is important so you don't miss it.
Finally, we arrive at our last stop, home. What would you say when entering the house?
Home sweet home. Or, finally, what a long day.
And maybe greet family. Hi everyone, how was your day?
Perfect. Notice how we use phrases to end a day, express feelings, and start conversations with loved ones.
Wow, that was a full day of conversations, right? You heard greetings, ordering, shopping, small talk, asking for directions, polite phrases, and more.
Practicing these phrases every day can really boost your confidence in English.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to English Learning Key, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new episode. Practice these conversations out loud. Try them in your own life and share your favorite phrases in the comments.
Thanks for spending the day with us, and we'll see you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep speaking, and have fun with English.